Good morning. I've got some unboxing to do, and then we're going to do some installation work. Good morning. Let's start off by showing you where we're at. Back in June, okay, ChatGPT told me how to design this bed. Got two soft touch hollies, pencil holly, two soft touch hollies, pencil holly, two soft touch hollies, pencil holly, two soft touch hollies. So the design recommendation was a landscape light goes here, spotlight goes there, landscape light goes there, spotlight goes there, landscape light goes there, spotlight goes there, landscape light goes there. A little friend the bunny having a little snack over there. So I have some old style pagoda lights, and I'm going to stick with that for now, but I've got a different color. So let's open these up. This is not a sponsored video. This is something I've bought on my own. And these are from Gardencoin. And these are the pagoda lights, so let's check them out and see how they are. Okay. So we have in here to start with installation instructions. I don't know if you can see them or not, but you can pause that and zoom in. And you can pause that and zoom in if you wish. It talks about safety, warnings. These fixtures are only used on a 12-volt circuit, so you'll need a transformer. But if you're installing 12-volt garden lights, I'm assuming that you probably already know that. So in this box, we have 12 of these. And this is how it's packaged. I'm assuming six lights, and mounting hardware. So let's just pull out one of the lights right now and take a look at it. If I can get it out. This is probably just going to be the top of the light. And then we'll need the mounting kit, so we'll pull that out as well. Okay? And that's the mounting. And since I'm going to need 4 lights, I'll pull 4 lights out for now and move this box somewhere else. Okay? 2, 3, 4. That means I've got 8 lights left over from my patio area where the pool is, which is a really nice area, by the way. I'll put these install instructions back in the box. I usually don't need them. And you won't need them either with an abundance of common sense, I'm sure. But let's open up one of the boxes and check out the head of the light. And these are all LED lights, by the way. Okay, very nice. Very nice. They're all metal, a powder coat finish. I will show it to you. I'll show it to you up close. They're not black, they're a bronze. Okay, they're bronze. Exactly what I have. Different manufacturer this time, but very, very nice looking light. Now, there's a threaded end over here. Okay, there's a threaded end over there. And I'm just going to open up the 4 lights so we can mount them, because I'm going to need 4 lights where we're going to put these. Then I'm going to have to figure out other things like, you know, how to connect the wires up to what I have. There's two. Are you planning any outdoor lighting projects this year? When we first moved into this house, it had a ton of outdoor lighting. But over the years, you know, we've been here 15 years and the lights were already here. I revamped them first. I revamped some of them when we first moved in. And then now they kind of need doing over again. So I'm going to start off with these. I usually run my lights for 4 hours at night. They come on at sunset and they go off. Well, whatever. They go on at sunset and they actually go off at 11 o'clock. So that's more than 4 hours. So these are the four. These are the four lights. Okay. And now let's open up the hardware box and see what kind of light we find in here. Okay, we've got stakes. I'm going to need 4 stakes. I have mine medium rare usually. We're going to have 4 posts. And we've got some other stuff in here. We've got 4 posts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. We're going to put this back to one side because we're not going to need this. All right. So on these posts, I'm just going to unbag them. They come with a wire attached. Pretty generous wire. And we're going to deal with those. We're going to take 4 of these out. 2, 3, and 4. Now, one thing I'd like to mention about these lights do not come with a bulb. Okay, they do not come with the bulb. At least I don't believe they do. No, they do not come with the bulb. So for that, I've bought bulbs. Now, you'd think the lights would come with a bulb, but hey, live and learn, right? So that's number 4. So what's going to happen? Or do they have light bulbs? Let me check before I overspeak. These are the mounting clips for the wires. I want to see what I have in here first. Oh yeah, I got bulbs. I got bulbs. Yep. These are special G4 bulbs. It's the other set of lights I had to buy bulbs for. So we're going to put these together right now while you're here. And I'll show you how that happens. These are the bulbs. And there's 2 pins in the top of this. They simply go in the pins and you push down and those are installed. That's all it is. Then you take the cover over the light and then you screw it in from the bottom. Pretty simple. And that's in there. If you have to change the light bulb, you unscrew it and change the light bulb. Right, so that's one of them done. Oh, yeah, also, let's look at the stake. We'll do each one complete. This is the stake. That's a long stake, and it's got a good foot pedal on it if you want to press it into the ground. So what's going to happen here, oh, the wire is going to go down into the stake. So I said common sense prevails, and out the side like this. Okay. And then we're just going to screw that in the bottom. Looks like that's got a little O-ring or something on it, like a little rubber O-ring. Keep the water from going in it. And we'll screw this all the way up till it's tight. That's tight. So that's one complete unit now assembled. We'll do the other 4. The light bulb. So you don't need instructions sometimes, just a little common sense will do it for you. And then when we find out if we plug these in and some of them don't work, then we'll deal with it then. Okay. Now this time I'm going to put the stake in first. It doesn't matter how you do it. You do whatever works for you. Okay. Goes down and out the side. So watch, see? Down the hole with the threads and out the side like that, see? Pretty simple. And screw it in. All right, the bottom of the stake is in. We'll put our light bulb on. Light bulb's on. And then the top is just going to screw on like that. And that's it. That's 2 done. Not difficult. Matter of fact, pretty dang easy. Pretty dang easy, I said. Thing with the light bulb, you have to open up both sides of the box so you can push it through. Not a big deal. We're 11 minutes in and we're half done with this. So it's all good. I'm looking forward to the install, which will be a video coming up right after this. I'm going to unbox and set up my spotlights and get those ready to go in too. And then we'll put them all in the ground where they belong. And then we'll wire them up one at a time. Just screw it in with the bulb on it. See how it goes? When it stops, it stops. That's it. Screw the top on it. Oh, not good without the bulb. Bulb's in, and the top is on. Simple as can be. All done. Okay. And for some reason in the future, if you want to take these apart to clean them, there's little nuts on the bottom here. You can take them off, take it apart, clean it. After they've been in for like 10 years, the inside of them actually get dirty. I wonder how, but they do. All right, light bulb, base, stake. Like I said, medium rare. Well, like actually medium for me. All right, put the bulb on. You don't have to do this in any particular order. Bulb, stake. Again, I like my stake medium. Run the wire through, come out the side, pull it down. There we are. Just like that. Screw it in. Screw it in until it stops. Right? These are really nice. And then put the top on them. Now I've got things set up for 4 of them. I'm already set up. Right? And that's the unboxing and setup of the Gardencoin 12-volt Pagoda lighting and bronze. They're going to be a really welcome addition to the landscape bed over here. You'll see as we get going on it. But for now, I want to thank you for watching. And then I can come over here and shut off my camera with my watch. Where are you?